Hello, this is John Garin again. I am creating this video to show you how to use the Google Drawing version of the album cover template for the LifeTracks project. If you need to know general guidelines for the project, you should need to watch the other video on the general guidelines. And this is just going to show you how to do the different techniques in the Google Drawing. Well, first of all, you need to get the album cover on there. You're going to use the LifeTracks list on there. You're going to need to put the song list in a text box. So you use the text box tool and then you click and drag to create the tool. You may either type in this box the artist and the title of the song, or you can simply paste your song list from if you have it somewhere else, and that's one way to do it. Now, notice here that when you paste in, you're pasting in from the format, or if you type in, you might have to worry about wrapping of words if they're too long for the line. If it's only like a single word that comes in that's wrapped, you might consider expanding the box if you have room, so this way everything is all on one line. Another thing that you may have to do is resize the font, and just like normal resizing a font, that's up here. Once everything fits the way you want it to, then you just need to place it on the page in the right way. When you consider white space and you have all this white space because you've made everything small enough to fit, instead of hitting the enter key between each line, you could do it another way. You would say format and you say line spacing, and you can use 1.15 as the line spacing. I think that's the standard one. You can use, or you can increase it to where'd the lines go? You can increase it to 1.5 or double space, and this gives you a little bit more spacing without actually having to go through and hit enter every time. So that's how you would do line spacing, how you would insert the text box, and the text box would also be needed for the title. And once you get the title on the screen, you might want to make it larger. In this way it stands out like titles do most of the time. Also make sure it's in proper title case. And if you want to use like a text to graphic generator, be my guest. It's a little extra step that makes it look a little bit nicer. After you do that, you'll need to insert the various pictures that you need to insert. If you wanted to do shapes, background colors, you could do that here. In other words, you would create a shape, let's say, and put it around the text that you want to put it behind. Of course, to change the color, you would choose the fill color, and the line color is the line color. So this way it can make it have no line, or you can just make it the same color as the background or a different color. But notice it's on top of your words, so you right click and you say order, send backwards, or send to back. This is all layers, so every object on the screen is on its own layer, and you may have to send back multiple times or just send all the way to the back to get it behind what you need to get it behind. To put the pictures on, you go to the Insert Image tool. If it's your logo, you should already have it in your personal branding resources in your personal branding folder for class, and you would select it and insert it that way. Of course, you'll need to resize it to make it fit the space the way you want it to fit. Then to get pictures from your computer, you would insert image again, and this time upload. If the picture is too big to fit in, or if you're having a problem with the upload, it will give you an error message. There are other options for pictures, so please see the other video on working with pictures on Google in order to solve those problems. Once you get the picture on, maybe you want the picture behind the logo or the picture behind the writing as a background image, and again, right click, send backward or send to back, depending upon which layers you want to put it on. And you need one more picture, and then that's pretty much it. You're done. That's how you work with the template in Google Drawing.